So today we're going to be making a birdhouse. I'm going to start with the template and trace both sides with a felt tip marker. If you need a copy of the template, it is down in the description below. You want to follow along with the template and make sure that you have enough pieces. This is going to require about 4 pounds of clay. And you want to make sure that your slabs are rolled out about 1/4 of an inch thick. Once all of our pieces are transferred, then we're going to cut them out. Now, unlike other pieces that we've done, we do not want to miter these edges. We do not want to bevel these edges. We want them completely 90 degrees. That's how this template fits together. So make sure that when you cut out these pieces that you don't miter them. Now we want to make sure that we cut open the door, the entrance, and any windows that you want. You don't have to follow the template for the windows. You can make them or not make them as you choose. And now we're going to assemble all of the pieces together. Again, making sure that we use plenty of slip and that all of our edges are scored. You do want to make sure to include some drying time on these pieces. They should be leather hard. If they are floppy, do not assemble these pieces. So again, you do want to give those pieces about an hour to dry. Now we do want to make sure that you add a little perch up at the front. And I'm going to support that with a little piece of clay here in just a moment. I am also going to add a loop onto the top so that it can hang. Now if you're going to keep this, you want to make sure that you put it in a bag and let it dry slowly so that the perch and the loop do not dry out. They will dry before the main body of the building and will crack. So make sure you put a bag on it and let it dry really slowly. And there is our finished birdhouse.